Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to check save password on Google account on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, if you are a forgetful person and fortunately you often save apps password or web password in your Google account, then don't need to be worried guys because you can check the save password on your Google account easily. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that we have to do is, of course guys, now you can go to Google Chrome on your cell phone like this guys. Alright, so yeah, now go to Google Chrome and then now you can click on the right top over here and then now you can click settings and then after that now you can click Google Password Manager and then all of the saved password will appear over here. Alright guys, it is you right, and then so yeah, here's the tutorial and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye.